Hi everyone, this video is sponsored by the Nick Moore Foundation. We're diving into a world of eco-friendly construction materials, exploring how we can build a sustainable future. Concrete and steel production release tons of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere each year, contributing to air pollution and climate change. Thankfully, there are more sustainable options available, and in this video, we'll explore some of them. Let's start with cork. Once known primarily for wine stoppers and bulletin boards, cork has emerged as one of the most sustainable building materials in the world. Construction companies seeking lightweight, low-cost, versatile, and aesthetically pleasing materials are turning to cork, which also provides excellent insulation and long-term protection from the elements. Cork ticks all the boxes. Cork is harvested from the water-resistant bark of the cork oak tree, primarily grown in the Mediterranean region of southwestern Europe and northern Africa. What makes cork so sustainable is that no trees need to be cut down for harvesting. The trees grow for 25 years until their trunks are wide enough, and then their bark can be stripped every 9 years. Cork oak trees can live for up to 300 years, and the older the tree, the higher the quality of the cork. Interlocking blocks and roof tiles made from cork provide durability and easy assembly while seamlessly blending into the surrounding environment. Colombia is one of the world's largest coffee producers, but sadly, it's also one of the most economically disadvantaged countries. This has created a housing shortage for many people. Woodpecker, a construction company in Bogotá, Colombia, has found a remarkable solution by using coffee husks, the outer skin of coffee beans, to create sustainable building materials. Coffee husks are usually discarded as waste, but woodpecker combines them with recycled plastic to create strong, durable building blocks that easily snap together around a steel frame. These blocks are used to build lightweight, affordable tiny homes, ideal for families, and classrooms for rural communities. These homes, costing under $5,000 each, are pest and moisture resistant. Over 3,000 woodpecker homes have already been sold, and the company is working with the Colombian government to provide housing for those displaced by natural disasters. It's amazing how something as simple as a coffee husk can be transformed into a life-changing resource. Now, let's explore a material that's a little closer to home. Dutch designer Mieke Maya and a team of 5 have developed newspaper wood. It's made from recycled newspaper sheets, glued, layered, pressed, dried, and sanded, achieving a wood grain texture. While it's not intended to replace wood entirely, it tackles the global paper waste problem. In the UK alone, it's estimated that over 6.3 million tons of paper are thrown away annually. Recycling can save millions of trees. Newspaper wood offers a potential solution to this growing challenge. Imagine a material that could revolutionize fashion, art, food packaging, shipping, and construction, all while being eco-friendly. It's a truly inspiring innovation. Meet mycelium, the tiny, thread-like roots of mushrooms. This incredible material is 100% biodegradable and compostable, yet when dried, it's strong, durable, and resistant to mold, water, and fire. It's being used to create eco-conscious packaging, meat alternatives, and even skincare products. Now, mycelium is revolutionizing the construction industry. Mycelium bricks are being used to build structures that are lightweight, solid, and non-toxic. Because fungi are living organisms, they self-regenerate quickly and can grow into strong, rigid shapes in a remarkably short time. For intricate projects like insulation, mycelium can even be used in 3D printing. The possibilities are endless. Green algae is more than just a pond or river inhabitant. In Hamburg, Germany, green algae are being used to power an entire building. The algae grow rapidly within glass panels covering the building, harnessing the sun's energy through photosynthesis. The algae is then extracted and processed in a bioconverter, transforming it into biomass. This biomass has a wide range of applications, serving as a food source for humans or animals and even powering cars. But its most remarkable ability is generating electricity and heat for the residents of the building. When we visited this project in 2019, we were told that the process generated so much energy it could power nearby buildings as well. This is truly an incredible demonstration of how nature can provide sustainable solutions to our energy needs. In the UK alone, nearly 3 billion disposable diapers are thrown away each year, ending up in landfills. To address this issue, the Canadian company No Waste has developed a revolutionary way to recycle diapers and other absorbent sanitary products. They sanitize the waste and then separate it into 2 different materials. Organic fibers are extracted and used for green energy and paper, while the plastic binding is recycled into a variety of products, including plastic cladding, decking, and roof tiles. Sending diapers to the No Waste facility saves the same amount of space in UK landfills as 96 Olympic-sized swimming pools. This process also removes the same amount of carbon dioxide from the air as 7,500 cars. And it's not just about reducing waste, they're transforming it into a valuable building material. This is a truly inspiring example of how we can make the most of even the most unexpected resources. We've only explored a few examples of the many incredible sustainable construction materials available. The future of building is bright, filled with innovation and driven by a commitment to protecting our planet. Continue exploring these amazing materials, and let's all work together to create a greener and more sustainable world. Thank you for watching. To learn more about these materials and discover ways to get involved in sustainable construction, follow us on social media. Let's build a better future together.